welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Ruby and today we're doing a walk around video on this 2013 Toyota Corolla Ascent Sport. Starting off at the front, you've got your Toyota badging right in the centre there. Really nice with that pearl white paintwork as well, and your split black grille there too. Really nice, sharp and big headlights as well in this model, so you're definitely going to see everything when you are driving at night. Indicators just on the end there, and fog light down the bottom as well, so when you are driving in foggy conditions you'll be able to see everything around you. Coming around to our first alloy wheel, really nice design on this one. Very minimal rashing if any, and plenty of tread on that tyre there as well. Colour matched side mirrors and door handles as well, so again just ties in and makes it look a bit more sleek. And your indicator is built into that side mirror there, just to clean up that quarter panel at the front there and give everyone an idea of whether you are wanting to turn or merge or anything like that. Weather shield's fitted on all four windows as well, so you can have your window down a little bit when it's raining, get that nice breeze, and you can also have your window down a little bit on a hot day and keep your car a little bit cooler when you do eventually get back in. Looking inside now, being in 2013, obviously you would expect some wear, but this does present really well on the seat. Seat bolsters are all in really good condition, very minimal scuffing along the bottom of the door there. And yeah, the door's in really good condition too, so we haven't been lazy kicking the door open or anything like that. Closing that one up. Now again, the paintwork on this side looks really good, and that pearl white does just pop in this morning sun. Looking at that second alloy wheel, again, really good condition on that one. I don't think there's any marks on it, and again, heaps of tread on that tyre too. Coming around to the back, you'll see you've got all your badging as well, your Toyota badging, Corolla, and your Ascent Sport badging, and your little lip spoiler on the rear there, along with your windscreen washer, and then your wiper as well. Opening it up is just as simple as pushing the little button in there, and then up it goes. Now you've got your cargo shelf, again, stop anyone from being able to see what you've got going on in the back of the car. And just provide that little bit extra storage if you do need it. All your genuine carpet mats, along with your genuine boot liner, and then underneath that and under the floor we've got a spare wheel that looks like it's never been used as well. Closing that one up. Now you do have a little handle as well to close it up, and your reverse camera is just in the back there as well. Coming around to the passenger side, now your fuel filler cap is on the passenger side. That is the safe side of the vehicle, so if you are like on the side of the road and you need to top up, you can do so without being in oncoming traffic. Third alloy wheel, again really good condition, just a very minor scuff if I'm being very picky, but otherwise looks really good, and heaps of tread on that tyre as well. Now again, the paintwork on this side looks really good. No marks that I can really point out to you either, even if I am being super picky. And onto that last alloy wheel, again, really good condition on that one, and heaps of tread on that tyre. So we've got four really nice wheels and tyres, and overall really good paintwork and condition. So what we'll do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Looking at the engine now, we've got a 4-cylinder 1.8 litre petrol engine with a 7-speed automatic gearbox. Now on the safety side of things, it's a 5-star ANCAP safety rating with 7 airbags throughout, so you know you and all your passengers will be nice and safe. With this engine you'll produce 103 kilowatts of power and 173 newton meters of torque. And on your fuel side of things, you've got a 50 litre capacity tank, using about 6.6 litres per 100 kilometres, giving you an average distance of 758 kilometres out of a tank of fuel. So inside the Corolla now, and starting on the driver's side door, you've got a really nice padded armrest, and then just above that you've got all of your window controls, with your driver's side being automatic up and down, and then you've got your central locking and your window lock as well. Now just behind the steering wheel we've got all of our mirror controls with our toggle for the mirrors, and a little dial to change the angle of our headlights as well. So if you've got a bit of weight in the back, bring the back of the car down and your headlights pointing up, you can bring them back down so you can actually see where you're going. Right hand stalk, you have all of your indicator and headlight controls, and then left hand stalk, all your washer and wiper controls front and rear. Now on the steering wheel itself, you've got your Bluetooth answer and reject on the right hand side, Little display button that changes what you can see inside the middle of your cluster, so all your trip meters, your general odometer, litres per 100 k's, all of that, and your range. And then just under that, as Toyota's always done, you've got your extra little stalk for your cruise control. On the left hand side, you've got your volume, your seeking, and your mode, so changing what entertainment you're listening to, and then if you hold it, it will just mute your audio as well. Now into the centre screen now. Little bit of an update to Toyota's system here. So we've got AM, FM radio, USB, CD, Bluetooth, and all of that for your audio options. Nice easy touch screen as well, and then you've got some of the hard buttons on the side. Yeah, and your little USB socket in there as well. Just underneath you've got all your climate control on nice easy to use dials, so temperature, fan speed and where you want the air coming from. Just under that you've got a 12-volt socket and a few blank buttons and just a bit of storage as well, so probably somewhere you would put your phone or something like that. Now we've got a reverse camera fitted as well, so you've got the nice blue lines to show you where you'll end up, and the reddish pink one to show you when to stop as well, and you can see the rear bumper as well, so you definitely know where your car is as well. Now automatic shifter as well, as mentioned in the engine bay, but you can also drive it like a manual and flick through your gears manually as well. Sports mode as well, so that'll give you a bit more power and torque, but it will sacrifice your fuel economy. A couple of cup holders, hard handbrake as well, and then inside your armrest, heaps of storage there too. So I'll just get the camera person to pan around a bit, show you the condition of the inside, and then we'll jump outside and wrap up the video. Guys, so that wraps up our walk around video on this 2013 Toyota Corolla Ascent. The number to call is 9907-0555 if you did want to book a test drive on this car. Now just a couple of things before I go. This does qualify for the premium mechanical protection plan that we do offer. It is an additional cost, but it gives you 5 years, up to 200,000 kilometres, whatever comes first, of coverage on 181 parts on the car, and 10 years of roadside assist as well. So definitely something to talk to us about. And another thing, with this pristine paintwork in that beautiful pearl white as well, you're going to want to protect that. So I'd recommend talking to us about our glass coat options as well, to help preserve that beautiful paintwork for you. Now please go check out our Google reviews as well, sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews, so definitely something to be proud of there. And you can be assured you're dealing with a reputable dealership and the right kind of people as well. So once again, that number to call is 9907-0555. My name's Ruby and thank you for watching.